Hello and welcome everyone. I'm your science teacher Himita Chandulia. Students, today we are going to discuss further part of chapter 7th of class 7 science, that is weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. In previous video of this chapter we discussed about what is weather, what is climate and the basic difference between weather and climate. In today's video we are going to discuss about the adaptations of animals to any climate. Okay, either the climate is hot or extreme cold or the moderate one. Is that clear, students? And first of that we have to know about the adaptations, and in class 6 we already had studied about what are adaptations. Students, what are adaptations basically? Let's understand in a simple way. Adaptations means the habit or the feature in any living organism which enables that organism to survive in that particular climatic condition. Let's understand with the help of an example. You might have seen yak in books or in television. Students, you all know that yak is an animal which is found in cold region like Leh, Ladakh, Shimla, Jammu and Kashmir, isn't it? Because it is having long hairs and we are getting wool from yak. Have you ever heard or have you ever seen yak in Rajasthan or in the plain region like Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat? Not exactly, because yak is having specific adaptations, specific features that it can survive in cold region. Okay, and you can take another example, just take the example of the ship of desert. Okay, what is ship of desert? Camel, exactly. Have you ever found camel in the cold regions like Jammu, Kashmir, Manali, Shimla, Leh, Ladakh or the polar areas? Not exactly, because the camel is having such type of adaptation that it can survive in desert, in low water areas, isn't it? So students, what we call adaptation basically the presence of specific feature which enables an animal or a plant to live in a particular habitat is called adaptation. Habitat means वो area, वो जगह जहाँ पर वो survive कर रहे हैं, and those features which help them, they are known as adaptation. And adaptation सब जगह, मतलब adaptation plants में भी होते हैं और animals में भी होते हैं. Plants में you can take the example of cactus. We already had studied in chapter 1. ठीक है, अब cactus की leaves हमारे यहाँ के जो other जो plants हैं उनसे differ करती हैं. Fine, but in this chapter we specifically discuss about the animals. Okay, students, this adaptation is of two type. It may be temporary or it may be permanent. ये कुछ टाइम के लिए भी हो सकता है और ये लाइफ लॉन्ग भी हो सकता है. एंड दिस परमानेंट ट्रांसफर, परमानेंट एडेप्टेशन कैन ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू अनदर जनरेशन. ओके, अब जो टेम्पररी अडेप्टेशन है इसको एक बहुत सिंपल एग्जांपल से समझते हैं. वी आर टेकिंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ कैमलियन. गिरगिट देखा है सब बच्चों ने, एंड एवरीबडी नोज दैट कि गिरगिट से जुड़ी एक वो भी है हमारी लोकोक्ति और मुहावरा, गिरगिट की तरह रंग बदलना. येस, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली दैट कैमलियन डज, इट मर्जेस इट्स स्किन कलर अकॉर्डिंग टू इट्स सराउंडिंग. ठीक है, आप कभी भी देखिए. नाउ जस्ट हैव अ लुक ऑन दिस पिक्चर. इज इट ईजीली possible for us to distinguish the chameleon within the surrounding? ये बिल्कुल वैसा लग रहा है जैसा इसका सराउंडिंग का कलर है, जैसा ये प्लांट का कलर है या ट्री का कलर है. एंड जस्ट हैव अ लुक another type of plant, another type of tree is having the leaves. It is having the same color of skin. It change its color of skin according to its surrounding to escape itself from enemy. Is that clear? So that type of change is known as temporary adaptation. Fine class. In this chapter further we will discuss about the adaptations of animals of different climate. We will discuss about the adaptation of animals which are found in polar region, that is extremely cold one, and after that we will discuss the adaptation of animals of tropical rainforest. Okay, let's discuss the adaptations of animals which are found in very cold climate, and we know जो very cold climate होता है we call it the polar region. Fine. Extreme hot, extreme cold. Extreme cold is the polar region. As the name itself shows that the polar regions are situated near the poles, and we are having two poles on our earth, north and south. Is that clear? Students, we know that here throughout the year the land is covered with snow, and here in summers temperature is also very low. सर्दियों में भी temperature बहुत low होता है. Okay, so we can say they remain very cold and covered with snow. In winters temperature can be low as -37 degrees Celsius. So students, shows that कि here the climate is extreme cold, and can you just suppose that how the vegetation, how the animals survive there? They will have some specific adaptation to survive here. Okay, and students, in last section we discussed that the poles are having one sunset and one sunrise in a year. 6 महीने रात और 6 महीने दिन. Isn't amazing? Students, on our earth we are having poles, North Pole and South Pole, and many countries are there. Just like, have a look here on the screen. Russia. In Russia we are having Siberia, Finland, Sweden, Norway, Iceland, Greenland, Canada, and Alaska of USA. All these are the cold region climates. Okay, students, let's understand the adaptations with the help of different animal examples. First we will understand the adaptations in polar bear. Okay, it's very cutie pie animal which is white in color. Fine, and this polar bear is having so many adaptations. We will discuss one by one. Students, have a look on the screen. A polar bear is there, and you can see that the skin of the polar bear is very much resemble to the surrounding, and we know here the land is surrounded by ice, and the color of the skin of the polar bear and the color of the land is similar. It is white, snowy, isn't it? So the first basic adaptation is that it is having white fur, and that is easily visible. Okay, which makes this animal that it is not easily visible in the snowy white background. Is that clear, class? Fine. And second important thing, that it protects this polar bear from predators and prey which are unable to see it. ठीक है, ये इसके दुश्मनों से भी बचाता है, और जिनका इसको शिकार करना होता है ये उनसे भी इनको छिपा के रखता है. फाइन. स्टूडेंट, सेकेंड इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट कि इट इज द polar bear is having 2 thick layers of fur. Okay, fine. अब ये जो fur है, इनका जो skin है, it is very soft, but it makes polar bear warm. Okay, इतने ठंडे क्लाइमेट में ये इसको गर्म रखती है. And another important thing that it is having, the polar bear is having that below the fur it is having a thick fat layer. ठीक है, और ये फैट लेयर क्या करता है? इट इंसुलेट्स पोलर बियर बॉडी एंड मेक दैम warm. Fine. So the fat insulates its body from cold and keeps it warm. Is that clear, class? Students, another important factor that it is having a very strong sense of smell. समझ में आ गया? और इसी की वजह से ये अपने जो प्रे होता है उसको इजीली कैप्चर कर लेता है. ओके, इट हेल्प्स बियर टू लोकेट एंड कैच इट प्रे. ओके, अब ये जो पोलर बियर है, वी नो दैट इट इज़ फाउंड इन द एरिया दैट इज़ हैविंग much more snow. So it is having long curved shape क्लॉज. अब ये क्लॉज इसकी हेल्प कैसे करते हैं? दे प्रोवाइड इट्स अ ग्रिप टू वॉक प्रॉपरली ऑन दैट स्नो. बर्फ़ पे एक बार चल के देखो कितना स्लिपरी होता है. सो जो इसके लॉन्ग और जो शार्प क्लोज होते हैं, दे हेल्प द पोलर बियर टू वॉक, टू मूव प्रॉपरली ऑन आइस. Is that clear? Besides all these adaptation, polar bear is a very good swimmer also. जब गर्मियाँ आती हैं और बर्फ़ जो आइस है वो मेल्ट हो जाती है, the polar bear swims under the water and to catch its prey. Obviously by the fishes खाता है, पानी में जाएगा, डुबकी लगाएगा. And you know that polar bear can close its nostrils and it can remain under the water for a long time. Is that clear, class? They are very good swimmers. Fine. Students, another animal which found in cold climate, and that is a very cutie pie bird, that is what? It is penguin. So students, let's understand the adaptations of penguin. It is having very much resemble adaptations with polar bear. सबसे important जो penguin के अंदर adaptation होता है, same, it is having the white skin. और ये white skin क्या करती है? Its white skin merges it well with the background. ठीक है, जो उसका सराउंडिंग है ये उसके साथ मर्ज कर जाती है और इट हाइड दैट पेंगुइन फ्रॉम इट्स एनिमी. Isn't it? Second important thing, it is having a thick skin. फाइन. और उसके स्किन के नीचे भी क्या है? फैट लेयर है. और ये फैट लेयर क्या करती है? इसको इंसुलेट करती है और इसको वार्म रखती है. Third important adaptation which is found in penguin, it is having streamlined body, and we know streamlined body हमें किस में मिलती है? Fishes में मिलती है, which helps the animal to swim, and it is having webbed feet. Have a look here. ऐसे आपने webbed feet देखे हैं ducks में और इन सब में, और आपने frog में भी देखा है, because frog is an amphibian, वो पानी में भी रहता है और ज़मीन पे भी रहता है, तो वो उसको स्विम करने में हेल्प करता है. इन द सेम मैनर दे ऑल्सो हेल्प द पेंगुइन टू स्विम. दे आर ऑल्सो द गुड स्विमर्स. फाइन क्लास. स्टूडेंट्स, एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट एडेप्टेशन दैट इस पिक्चर में भी आप देखिए, स्क्रीन पे देखिए, दे आर पेंगुइन्स आर हडल अप टुगेदर टू वार्म देमसेल्फ. हमेशा झुंड में रहती हैं. और आपने ये सर्दियों में नोटिस भी किया होगा, सर्दियों के टाइम पे आपको अच्छा लगता है कि सब है ना, जब आप सोने जाते हैं तो ब्लैंकेट में सब एक साथ रहें, आपके ब्रदर, सिस्टर, पेरेंट्स. इजंट इट? सो दे ऑलवेज हडल अप टुगेदर टू मेक देमसेल्फ वार्म. Is that clear? Students, along with polar bear, along with penguin, there are some other animals also which found in cold climate. They are musk oxen. Have a look here. It is looking like that. Okay? Reindeers. ऐसे हमने देखे ना, जब वो सेंटा क्लॉज आते हैं और वो पीछे बैठते हैं और उनके आगे वाले जो होते हैं वो ऐसे होते हैं, reindeers. Isn't it? Seals. Fine. And whales. Along with these, there are some fishes also which can survive in very extreme cold climate. Fine. Students, along with these animals, there are some birds also which are found in cold climate. You might have heard about the Siberian cranes, and we know Siberian cranes belongs to the Siberia region, which is in Russia, and these birds are having a specific adaptation. And what is that? That they birds can migrate. ओके, दे माइग्रेट फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. अब ये जो माइग्रेशन होता है, व्हाट इज इट बेसिकली? बेटा, माइग्रेशन मीन्स कि दैट इट इज़ अ मास मूवमेंट. मतलब आप झुंड में एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते हैं इन सर्च ऑफ फूड, इन सर्च ऑफ शेल्टर, और द बर्ड्स और दैट पर्टिकुलर एनिमल हैव टू ब्रीड इन द फेवरेबल कंडीशन। अब साइबेरिया में एग्जैक्टली होता क्या है, इन विंटर्स देयर द टेम्परेचर इज सो लो, मतलब इतना नीचे चला जाता है टेम्परेचर कि दैट ये जो साइबेरियन क्रेन है ये वहाँ पर सर्वाइव करना उनके लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है। तो ये क्या करते हैं, झुंड में फ्रॉम साइबेरिया टू इंडिया, in India they move to the particular parts like Sultanpur in Haryana, in Rajasthan they move to the Bharatpur, and you know in Bharatpur we are having a bird sanctuary, and in north east part हमारे north east में कुछ wetlands हैं, ये वहाँ पर भी move करते हैं। they remain there for some time during that period of time, and when the conditions are favorable for them again in Siberia they again move towards the Siberia, ठीक है। सो वी कैन से migration is the mass movement of animals, mostly birds, from colder places to the warmer region, and always remember ज़रूरी नहीं है सिर्फ birds ही migrate करती हैं, animals भी करते हैं, कुछ fishes भी करती हैं, कुछ insects भी migrate करते हैं। फाइन, अब ये migrate क्यों कर सकते हैं, they may be migrate to escape the cold, to breed, or due to the shortage of food। Fine, and the very good examples are Siberian crane, which moves from Siberia, the colder region, to the Bharatpur in Rajasthan. Fine here. So this is another adaptation which is found in the birds or the animals which found in cold climate, that is in the polar region. Students, let's understand the adaptations of tropical rainforest animals. Students, before that let's revise what is tropical rainforest area or what is tropical rainforest climate. Students, the tropical rainforest are situated near the equator, and we know that equator पे sunlight proper रहती है, straight आती है और पूरे साल भर रहती है, और हमेशा एक प्रॉपर अमाउंट में इक्वेटर रीजन को सनलाइट मिलती है। एंड स्टूडेंट, द क्लाइमेट इज हियर इज हॉट, ह्यूमिड, वेट, ऑलमोस्ट। सर्दियों के अंदर जब सबसे ठंडा मंथ भी होता है तो भी यहाँ का टेम्परेचर लीस्ट से लीस्ट कम से कम कितना हो सकता है, 15 डिग्री सेल्सियस, ठीक है। एंड ड्यूरिंग हॉट समर्स द टेम्परेचर मे cross 40 degrees Celsius. That means this is the appropriate temperature conditions for the survival, for the growth of flora and fauna. That's why tropical rainforest is rich in the variety species of plants and animals, and they are having dense population. Okay class, students, days and nights are almost equal in land throughout the year. Is that clear class? यहाँ पर दिन रात ना तो कभी छोटे होते हैं ना कभी लंबे होते हैं, they almost of the equal length. Okay, tropical rainforest found in Western Ghat and Assam in India. Have a look on the map. The dark green area is showing the tropical rainforest in India. Other than in India, Southeast Asia, Central America, Central Africa are those places where tropical rainforests are there. Okay class, let's understand the adaptations of animals which are found in tropical rainforest. We will discuss one by one. First one is very interesting creature, that is red-eyed frog. कभी देखा है लाल आँखों वाला मेंढक? It is a red-eyed frog, and it is little bit quite calm, है ना, isn't it? ये बहुत क्यूटी पाई सा भी लग रहा है other than frog. Okay students, the specific adaptation which is that having a red eye frog having is that it has developed the sticky pads on its feet that helps the frog to climb trees. कभी मेंढक को पेड़ पे चढ़ते हुए देखा है? We know the frog is an amphibian. It lives in water. It lives on land. But here we are having a frog which can climb on trees, and with the help of these sticky pads, it climb on trees and it protects that frog from its enemy. Isn't interesting? Okay, let's discuss another animal which is found in tropical rainforest, and that is monkeys. And students, we know that monkeys have long tails for grasping branches, and you might have seen the monkeys वो पूंछ से अपनी पूंछ को लपेट के और पेड़ पे उल्टा लटके रहते हैं, isn't it? Students, the another feature that these monkeys are having, their hands and feet are such that they can easily hold on to the branches, and here they feed upon the leaves and the fruits which are on the trees. Okay, it's very easy. The adaptations are very much similar to the normal monkeys. Another important bird or animal is toucan. Okay, देखो तोते जैसा लगता है, तोते वाली family है. It's a parrot family. It is having a long beak. Students, in tropical rainforest there is competition for food, and for food some animals are adapted to get food not easily reachable. That's why they are having the specific adaptation as like toucan is having. It is having a long large beak. ठीक है, you can just enlarge this image and you can just watch it properly. इसके पास बहुत लंबी सी है ना और बड़ी सी चोंच होती है. It helps the toucan to reach the fruits on the branches. Is that clear? This is the adaptation which is found in this bird. Another adaptations are different for other animals which are living on land. ठीक है, उनमें से एक adaptation है camouflage का. कुछ animals होते हैं जो अपने skin color को blend कर लेते हैं अपने सराउंडिंग से to make safe itself from the enemy, or so they can hunt on the prey and satisfy their hunger. Okay student, so we can say many tropical animals have sensitive hearing. Okay, they have sharp eyesight, fine thick skin and a skin color which helps them to camouflage by blending with the surroundings, and all these adaptations are indicating towards the tiger. And we know tiger and lions are big cats. Have a look here. You can observe that the color of the tiger is blending with the surrounding color. ये जो dry grass है इसके साथ इसका color merge कर रहा है, तो easily जो इसकी जो शिकार हैं like deer or other animals, goats, they are not able to distinguish between the tiger and the dry grass, isn't it? So it can hunt easily and satisfy its hunger. Fine class. Students, other than these animals there is another interesting animal creature, that is the lion-tailed macaw. ठीक है, ये एपी है, ठीक है, बंदर वाली ही प्रजाति इसको हम कहते हैं. It is called beard ape which is live in the rainforest of Western Ghat. Have a look here on this macaw. आप इसके हेड से इसके चिन तक के इस पूरे portion को देखिए. It is having silver white mane just like the lion is having. That's why its name is the lion-tailed macaw, isn't it class? And it has a silver white mane. It is a good climber. Yes, monkeys are usually good climbers, and here this lion-tailed macaw feeds upon the fruits and the leaves, and it is having sharp claws on their feet. With the help of these claws it can tear the bark and try to take the insect from there. Yes, it also feeds upon the honey, on the insect, on the fruit or other parts of the plant. Fine. And students, a very interesting point about this lion-tailed macaw is that it spends a major part of its life on the tree. ये अपनी आधी ज़िंदगी इस पेड़ पे ही गुजार देता है बिकॉज इसके पास सब कुछ तो है यहाँ पे खाने के लिए, एंड इट इज़ हैविंग सच अडेप्टेशंस दैट सेव इटसेल्फ फ्रॉम द एनिमीज. Okay students, another important and very big animal is elephant, which is probably found in a tropical rainforest, and that is elephant. Have a look here. एलिफेंट्स पे बहुत सारी मूवीज़ भी आई हैं, हाथी मेरा साथी, जंगल एंड अदर. स्टूडेंट्स, elephant is a big animal. We know that it is having a long trunk, ठीक है, and this trunk is working just like a nose. Fine, and it is having long teeth also. These are the modified teeth. Fine, और वो है ना हाथी के दांत दिखाने के और खाने के और, तो ये दिखाने वाले दांत हैं हाथी के. और ये जो हाथी की सूंड है, it is having a very good sense of smell and it helps the elephant to take its food. Okay, and with the help of these tusks, it can tear the bark. Fine. So students, what are the adaptations? Let's read them. It has a long trunk. It uses it as a nose, because of which it has a strong sense of smell. Fine class. Trunk is also used by it for picking up the food. Its tusks are modified teeth. Important point. Class 7th, remember this. Another adaptations are large ears of elephant helps it to hear even very soft sounds. बहुत धीरी आवाज़ भी, जो बहुत soft sounds है, उनको भी elephants सुन सकते हैं. Have you noticed their ear pinna? Have a look here. इनके जो कान हैं वो कितने लंबे हैं और हमारे ear pinnas कितने छोटे हैं. Isn't it? So they also help the elephant to keep cool. They with ear pinnas, its ears help them help elephant to keep cool in hot and humid climate of the rainforest. Fine. In this way, the adaptations of the animals which are live in the tropical rainforest completes here. Students, another interesting factor of this chapter that comes under the section of do you know is today's a long winter sleep. कुछ एनिमल्स विंटर्स में लंबे टाइम के लिए सोते हैं, आराम से बिल्कुल चुप हो जाते हैं, एंड दैट इज़ नोन एज hibernation, and that hibernation is a type of temporary adaptation. बच्चा पार्टी, आप लोगों ने मोगली वाली मूवी देखी है ना, उसमें मोगली का एक फ्रेंड होता है, वो बियर, वो काला वाला भालू, जब वो अपनी फैमिली को छोड़ के जा रहा होता है, ठीक है, और फिर उसके बाद उसको ये फ्रेंड मिलता है, फिर ये हमेशा उसको कहता है कलेक्ट हनी फॉर मी, कलेक्ट हनी फॉर मी, सर्दियाँ आने वाली हैं, विंटर्स आर कमिंग. वाई? बिकॉज इन विंटर्स बियर गोज इन hibernation. ये वहाँ जाके चुपचाप सोते रहते हैं for a long time, and before going under the hibernation they collect their food in appropriate amount. Fine. In the same manner, bat hibernation also found in bat. Fine. Students, in this way this chapter completes here. I hope you all understand the concept of weather, climate, adaptations of animals to cold region, adaptations of animal to tropical rainforest, isn't it? Students, in next video we will discuss the question answers of this chapter which are given in our textbook. Till then, revise what we studied today and earlier that and learn them. Take care everyone, and thank you.